I love these breakfast oat bars so much. Just 5 ingredients and no refined sugar, but they're naturally sweet and so delicious with crispy edges and chewy center. Takes me about 30 minutes to make a batch, and they're such a lifesaver on busy mornings. First, put 4 cups of rolled oats in a large mixing bowl. Next, add 1 cup of almond butter to the oats in your bowl. If you don't have almond butter, peanut butter makes a great substitute. Now mash 3 to 4 ripe bananas until you have about 1.5 cups of mashed bananas. Add this to your bowl with the oats and almond butter. Then, pour in 1/4 cup of maple syrup or honey to add some sweetness to your bars. Next, add 1/2 cup of chocolate chips to the mixture. I prefer semi-sweet dark chocolate chips because they balance the sweetness of the bananas. Mix all these ingredients together until everything is well combined. The mixture will be thick and sticky from the bananas and nut butter. Now, take an 8-inch square baking pan and line it with parchment paper. Add a little oil to the paper to prevent sticking. This will make it easier to remove the bars later. Spoon all of your oat mixture into the pan. Use a spatula to press the mixture down firmly. This pressing helps the bars hold together when you cut them after baking. Sprinkle some extra chocolate chips on top of the mixture for a nice finish. Bake the bars in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. You will know they are done when the edges turn golden brown, but the center still remains soft. I must say, your kitchen will smell absolutely amazing while these banana oat bars are in the oven. There's nothing like that warm, cozy aroma of the oats and bananas baking together, filling up the whole house. Let the baked oat bars cool slightly before cutting them into squares. They taste best when still warm from the oven, with crispy edges and a chewy center. These oat bars are perfect for busy mornings or as a snack. Store them in an airtight container where they'll stay fresh for about 4 days. If you enjoy these banana oat bars, you have got to try my homemade oatmeal cream pies next here. They are soft, chewy, and filled with the most amazing sweet cream. Trust me, they blow store-bought cookies out of the water. Check it out now!